Hello everyone. Hope so you all are doing good with everything, with your classes, with your routine life and so on. So today we are going to solve another assignment. This time it's of Excel 3A Enterprise. It's a textbook project. So let's start this project by enabling the content from here. There we go. So this is Excel 3A Enterprise Fund. Open the Excel workbook. This one downloaded with this project. Then in your textbook turn to the project 3A and complete all of the steps in the activity 3.01 to 3.02. So we have to use textbook to complete this project. Instruction for this project are not given in this instruction file, so we have to look for the textbook. From here, when you click on this, textbook will appear, and then you have to click this one. You have to launch this. After launching, this will open in the tab. Then you have to come to the page number 247. Yes, it's a 247, and here we go. Let's start it from here. So this is the activity 3.01, calculating values for a pie chart. Okay, it is saying that you have to navigate to the Excel chapter 3 folder, then double click this and this. So this is the file that we have to download from our portal 3A Enterprise Fund. So where it is, this is my file. So enable the content from here. There we go, I have enabled the content. And then it is saying that click cell D5 and then type equal. Bring it here. Click cell D5, this is cell D5, and we have to type equal. Then what's next? Click cell C5, which is the first value that is a part of the total adjusted fund expenditures, to insert it into the formula. Type slash to indicate the division, and then click C11, which is the total adjusted expenditure. There we go. So let's come here. We have to click cell C5, then put this sign, and then it is saying that you have to click cell C11. Okay, where is C11? Here we go, here is the cell C11. And in the next step, it is saying that you have to make it the absolute reference. For this, you have to press cell F4. We have to make this cell absolute reference though, so that it may not move when we drag it down. Press cell F4 and press the enter button. So there we go, we have got our results. There we go. So this is same, you can see from here. Copy the formula to cell D10. We have to copy it to the cell D10. There we go. And then we have to compare our screen with this. Look, this is exactly the same as it is indicating in figure 3.3. With the cell D5 to D10 still selected, we have to apply % and then center the selection. D5, select again. D5 to D10, we have to apply % and then center the selection. There we go. Our worksheet is same as it is showing in figure 3.4. So this is activity, this was the end of the activity 3.1. Now we have to complete the activity 3.02. Okay, we are on 3.02. You can see from here. It is saying that you have to select this range A5 to A10, hold control and then select the range C5 to C10. So we have to select two ranges, A5 to A10, and the next one is C5 to C10. Press control after selecting this range, C5 to C10. There we go. With the item names and so with the non-adjacent ranges selected, click the insert tab, then the chart, then we have to insert the pie chart. Under the 3D pie chart, we have to insert the 3D pie chart. Okay, come here to the insert tab. This is pie chart and this is 3D pie chart, and we have created and inserted our chart. There we go. It is saying that we have to move all of these things. All of these 2 points are indicating that we have to move our chart to a new worksheet, and the name of that worksheet is expenditure chart. Okay, select that, move from here, click the new worksheet, expenditure chart, and click OK. There we go. Pie chart displays on a separate new worksheet in your workbook, and the legend identify the pie slices. This is our legend, and this is indicated the slices. This is indicated the slices. You can see it's a red color. Red color is the slice for waterfront. Then this is green, this is purple, and this is so on. I think you got my point what I am saying. Okay, you can see this figure is exactly the same as our chart, so we are doing right. So this was the end of activity 3.02, and now we are on 3.03. we have to insert the chart title. What we have to do, insert the chart title. How to do so, I will show you. Click here, then type enterprise fund expenditures here, and then press enter. There we go. Chart title is inserted. This is the most formal way to insert the chart title. Okay, we have completed 3.031. To create the new chart title box. Okay, so it is saying that we have to format the chart title using the word art style. So click the chart title, then click the insert tab, and then click the downward arrow underneath the text button. Then here is the word art. Which word art style we have to insert? In the third row, click the last style. There we go. This is third row, and this is the last style. Oh, sorry. So we have to select this chart title, then we have to format it into a word art style using the chart buttons. Like this is the chart design and this is the format tab. Come here to the quick styles, then in the third row click the last style, and the word art style will be applied to our chart title. Okay, this is how to do this. Third row last style. We are done with it. Drag the chart title text and then change the font size to 32. Okay, and then save our file. Chart title is selected. Come to the home tab and then do it 32. Okay, then what we have to do, we have to save our file. Best practice is to save the file after each step. Okay, we are done with it. What we have to do the next, This is, so we are done with the activity 3.03 and this is the activity 3.04. okay, we have to look for the first step of this activity. What we have to do, we have to remove the legend. Deselect it and remove the legend from bottom of the chart. Okay, we have to remove the legend from where. How to do that, I will show you. Click on the chart and then click this button and then just deselect this box. When you deselect that, the legends will be removed. If you select that, legends are here. If you deselect that, legends are removed. There we go. This is how to do this step. I am showing you very quickly. Point to the data labels and then click the to display a menu. At the bottom of the menu, more option, display the format level pin. Okay, we will do that. What we have to do, category name, we have to display these data labels. This is the one. Okay, and this is the one. We have to display these two data labels and click to clear any other boxes. We have to clear all. Let's come here. More option, click the more option. When you click that, we have to put the checkbox here, remove from here, put the checkbox here and remove from here. We have to just display these two data labels and we are done with it. Next is to position the data labels. How to position? We have to position it in center, the center button option. Okay, you can change the position from here, label position from here. This is center, inside and outside, and whatever it is requiring, we have to do that. So this time it is saying that you have to center these labels, so just click on the center and the labels will be displayed in the center of the chart. Okay, all of these selected and look, this is the requirement and this is done exactly according to the requirement. So now we have to move on to the step number 5. Point to any of the selected, right click to display shortcut menu and then click font to display the font dialog box. Okay, bold, italic and font size. We have to, when these labels are selected, shortcut way is to perform this step is just come to the home tab, apply the bold is applied, apply italic and then change the font size to 11. Instead of 9 you have to select the 11. There we go. What next? It is requiring bold, italic, font size 11. Done. Now we are moving on to the activity number 3.05. Formatting a data series with the 3D effects. So now we have to complete this activity. In any pie slice, point anywhere outside of the selected label and then double click to display the format data series. Okay, so this data series is displayed now. What we have to do, display the format data series. What next? Under the series option, click effect and then click 3D format. Series option, click effects and then 3D format. There we go. Our screen is exactly the same. There we go, you can see. Click the top bevel option and then in the gallery under bevel, click the first bevel, top bevel level. We have to select this one, first one. Okay, you can see this is the one, round one. Under the top in the width box, select the existing text and type 512. Change the height to 512 also. So this is top bevel and this is the width box. We have to type 512 here, and this is the height for top bevel box, and we have to type 512 here. Okay, press enter after that. And then under the bottom bevel, use the same technique. Okay, first bevel and then 512 and 512. Okay, we have to select this one, this one round, and then 512 and then 512. Okay, this is done. Oh, sorry. There will be something next also. In the format data series pane, scroll down as necessary and then click the material. Then use standard. Click the third material, plastic. Okay, we have to change the material also. This is material. Under the standard we have to use the third one. This is the one, plastic, that we have to use. Okay, material is also changed. And now we have to save our workbook. This was the end of our activity 3.05. Okay, so now we are moving on to the activity number 3.06, 3.07 and 3.8. I have shown you 5 activities of this assignment. If you want me to do this assignment for you, just hit me on WhatsApp or email. If you want me to do this full course for you, then I can also do that. Just hit me on WhatsApp or email. We can make a very good deal. I can do the other courses like accounting, finance, mathematics and lot more. All writing stuff also I can do. Just hit me on WhatsApp or email. Now I will show you the final version of this assignment. How does your assignment look at the end of all of these activities, and I will also show you the grades what I've got for this student. Okay, let's wait. This is how your final worksheet will look like. Now we will click on this chart. This is how our both of these worksheet look like. Now we will save our file and then we will upload it on portal. If you want me to do this assignment for you, I am saying it again and again, just hit me on WhatsApp or email. I am here to do it for you. Just come in contact with me. I will upload it here. You will see the grades. It will be 90 plus. I am 100% sure that it will be 90 plus. We have to do it again. We will choose the file from here. Then I have placed this file on the desktop. There we go. I am uploading this file. I have uploaded. Then hit that button, submit for grading. I am submitting it for grading. Now you can see the grades. 94.79% out of 100. I will go to the review submission and then I will remove the mistake that caused the grades to deduct almost 5.21. I will also remove these mistakes, but these grades are also fine and well. If you want me to do this assignment for you, just hit me on WhatsApp or email. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. Goodbye, and we will see in the next video. Thank you so much.